cheesecake. It's very yummy. What's in here?
It's chocolate and peanut butter.
Yeah, and little nut thingies.
It's peanut butter chips.
Ah. Ooh, that's brilliant.
That's my grandpa. He's brilliant.
I think I should have like a drum roll.
That's why you wanted me to record this?
Well, if I threw it up in the air, I probably won't catch it. Come on. Come on.
Alright, hang on. What are you doing?
Stuff.